Hi there, I'm Sian Davis. I run Garnish Cymru in Treforest Industrial Estate. We've been open for 5 years and we've just opened a new coffee shop on the estate also. The coffee shop has spanned then from the baguette shop that we have on site. A lot of people have been asking for us to have a sit-down area, so this is where it's come from really. So it's just started in December and it's been open now for 2 months. The biggest challenge, I would say, was obviously opening the coffee shop and getting it all ready. It was obviously a big business decision for us because we had a conference centre on site, and that's where the business started, and that's how I started in business. And losing the conference centre was a bit of a challenge, but we've got to go with the times and people meet in more informal places like coffee shops rather than formal conference centres these days. You have to move with the times, because trying to start up a business, it might not be the place you wanted to start, it might not be the place you go in, however it is something you've got to adapt to as well. So different business environments, you've got to move with the times of business. The other business top tip obviously for me would be customer service. It's always got to be, you've always got to give the client what they want, and excellent customer service is what we thrive on, and obviously how our business is built up so quickly as well. The other business top tip would definitely be cash flow maintenance. Definitely something that I work on and I constantly work on as well. I actually have my own mentor at the moment. They were provided through Business Wales and I met her through that. Her name is Nina Lovett. She is an actual business coach as well. She has been fantastic. She's really helped me. She's given me a lot of confidence and is developing me as a person then, and developing my leadership skills. But from another perspective, from a famous perspective, it would probably be Deborah Meaden, because she started a business from scratch then, and she's also knows everything about everything now these days, and she's just a lovely person, I think. For a successful business person, I really do believe there is organisation skills, which is what I think I do have and I can bring to the fold. I wouldn't have said that I would have been a business person a few years ago, but I mean it has grown from, and the business has grown and it's gone from strength to strength now. We do have 7 staff working here as well now, and that's definitely not something I was expecting myself to do, to be honest. Recent achievement is we just featured in the South Wales Echo for the runner-up for the best sandwich bar. We've also won a RCT Business Award, and our best achievement I think from start is to maintain our 5-star scores on the door.